Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds QCY Buds ANC. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and turn on it if it's turned off. Also, not Android phones have this slider in the settings, so then open the control panel and enable the Bluetooth here. After that, tap at your earbuds and we have connection. If it didn't help you, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, and now you can close the case or do not close it. Your earbuds now disconnected from your phone, and then you just remove it from the charging case and these earbuds will reconnect to your phone, so maybe it fixes your problem and we have connection. If it also didn't help you, next step is to remove and add these earbuds. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, after that click pair new device at the top, and after you disconnect it, it will enter to pairing mode automatically, so you just tap on it at the device list. And now we also have connection. But if all of these methods didn't help you, you need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So, at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, and forget device. Now you need to press 5 times at both of touch areas. Touch areas located at the back side of your earbuds, right here under the LED light, we have it. So press 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now this LED light should blinking white. Here we go. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after that just tap on your earbuds at the device list. And we did it. Now the last option is to reset Bluetooth settings. Firstly, I will show it to you on Apple devices and then on Android devices. So on your Apple device, open settings and scroll down. Go to the general, and right here also scroll down. At the bottom we have transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and then click reset. And on iPhone we can only reset network settings to reset Bluetooth settings, because on Android devices you have reset Bluetooth device settings and Wi-Fi, but right here only network settings. So you just tap on it, and then you write your password, and then click reset. But you will remove all Wi-Fi networks what your phone connected to. So you need to know it. And now let's move to the Android device. So open settings, then scroll down, and you need to find system and tap on it. Right here scroll down also, and at the bottom we have reset options. Click on it, and right here we have reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and you need to tap on it and click reset, and it may fix your problem also. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.